Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope everyone has had a really good weekend. My boys just got done with their fall break, so now they're back at school and I'm able to finally accomplish a little bit of work again. First off, if you're new here, my name is Ashley and I am a stay-at-home mom / Amazon and eBay reseller. I find things at thrift stores, yard sales, garage sales, anywhere I can find them, people's trash cans, not really. And I resell them on eBay and Amazon for a profit. And this is my way of showing you exactly how I do that and how you can do it too. And today I wanted to show you a few of the things that I've picked up recently that I have been really surprised by, really excited by, things that I think I can flip for a great profit and add to my eBay store. But it's also good to remember that sometimes things just take a while to sell and you have to have hundreds of items in your store if you really want to see consistent daily sales. So that's just kind of a tip for you. If you want to see daily sales, consistent sales, you have to constantly be finding things to add to your inventory, and you also have to have at least, I would say, 200 or 300 items in your store and some decent feedback to be able to see that consistent daily turnover. If you're selling what I'm selling, that is clothes, fashion, shoes, accessories. If you're selling things like electronics, maybe that turnover is a lot faster for you. First up, I found this Lululemon beachcomber bag tote. I found a lot of Lululemon bags. This is from actually a local source, and I'll explain really quick how I do this. Sometimes when I go to garage sales and yard sales and people see that I'm buying a lot of things, they'll ask what I do or what I need them for, and I'll tell them I resell things online, help support my family, it helps to pay for my kids' college, all kinds of things like that. And I've never really encountered someone who has had a problem with it or who's gotten mad about it. In fact, more often than not, they say, oh my gosh, I have so much stuff, and they get my contact information and I'm able to go back another day when they're just clearing out their items. So for this particular example, this is a friend I have who I did that with. I gave her my information about 2 years ago, and ever since then she's contacted me when she has a lot of stuff to clear out, a lot of Lululemon to clear out. They shop at high-end stores, so I always love going to her place and combing through her stuff and picking out things that I can sell and paying her a fair price, and then I'm able to bring it home and share it with you guys and sell it in my store. So definitely make as many contacts as you can. Don't be shy about what you do, you guys. You can make contacts and have people who just come to you with their inventory. You don't even have to do any work. So, all that to say, this is some of her stuff. This is a Lululemon beachcomber bag. It's got a leather bottom. It's way cute. It has the interior. An easy way to look up what it is every Lululemon bag has something in the interior. Every Lululemon bag has some kind of quote or manifesto inside. This one says, surf, sun, froyo, repeat. Sounds like an amazing motto. I just looked that up with the canvas tote and I found that it was called the Beach Breaker bag. In addition to that, I found she had this Lululemon Go With The Flow tote in yellow, and it has these really deep pockets. It's really deep and long tote bag, probably for gym mats or yoga mats or something like that. So found that, was really excited about that. This is the Lululemon Summer Lovin' Beach Tote, and it has a super cute interior. Again, with the manifesto on the inside, I could just look up, that's how I knew the name of it. It has this like multi-dye color. It's really, really cute when it has a pattern. Anytime you see Lululemon that has like a really specific or unique pattern to it, just run to it, grab it, because sometimes that can mean it's a little bit more of a rare print or a rare style, especially their leggings. Oh my gosh. There have been a few times that I have found some Lululemon unicorns because they have been a really unique and different pattern. This is the Lululemon Retreat Yourself tote, and it has a striped interior, and it even came with this kind of neon mesh insert. Really cute bag. This is the Lululemon Mind Body Toiletry bag. It has like this purple style print on the cover. It's just like a cosmetics bag. I thought this was way cute. Definitely a pickup. And then this is a Lululemon Seawees 2016 mesh tote. Again, it's just like, I think it's one of the bags they even like give you with your Seawees purchases, but anything Seawees I pick up. With a lot of my listings, as I'm looking them over, I'm noticing that I'm going to have to add certain style specifics. I don't know why, or item specifics. Like, I don't know if anyone else is going through this, but every one of my listings basically I have to add a new department to it, which is just odd because I list it with the department already, so that's fun. This is gonna be like a few hours of a project. I'll probably do it tonight just to get it all done, but annoying. Anyway, when something is Seawees, it has a pattern around the Lululemon logo I'll show this here. Right there, you can see it. That's how you know it is a seaweed print. And those are rare, and they are only available once, and then they're discontinued. And then the last bag is this Lululemon backpack. I think it's called the back to school. Oh, the back to class backpack, and it's in excellent condition, and it was so cute. Like, if I were still in school, we can just all pretend I'm a lot younger than I really am, I would have loved a backpack like this. So really unique, really cute. Next up, at an estate sale, I picked up this Tumi bag. Tumi is super expensive retail. You can see the logo there. I have sold Tumi leather bags in the past for well over $100. This is a canvas bag, and it's brown, but it is like a laptop bag. Really well made, really good quality. We'll see what this sells for me. It is pretty clean and in good condition, and I picked it up for just $3. So however much it sells for, it'll be a good flip. This is a Coach bag. I don't really pick up Coach anymore. This was a yard sale find though for just a few dollars, so I went and I grabbed it. This was inside of it. This is the Coach Signature Collection, so that's what it is. Coach is super hit or miss, unless it's like very recent, like from the last 2 years. I honestly pass on it. Anything with like the Coach embossed embroidery, logo, monogram, whatever, it just does not move for me anymore. I couldn't help myself for just a couple dollars to get this, like, it's large too, a super large bag. Couldn't help myself, had to grab it. We'll see if it sells, but Coach can definitely be more of a hit or miss. Tory Burch though is always a hit. Even though it's small, it's leather, and this is the Tory Burch Multi-Floral Hopewell Carrington Cosmetic Zippered Pouch. That's a mouthful, say that 10 times fast. But it's super clean inside, really, really cute. Tory Burch has a huge following, so I hope that this sells relatively quickly. It is in excellent condition. And again, this was from my friend who has all of the Lululemon. This is an Orvis bag. It's a very vintage messenger bag, crossbody. This is the Orvis Vintage Batten Kill Canvas Leather Travel Messenger crossbody. It's actually in pretty good condition for being vintage. The leather has a lot of patina on it. It's worn in. This sells for around $85, comps I've seen on eBay, so I'm excited to sell it. Thought it was really unique and original. This is a Longchamp. Guys, I took Spanish in high school, okay? Forgive me. This is a Longchamp bag. It is a Le Pliage canvas and leather tote. Really, really cute. Excellent condition too. These retail for a lot of money on like bloomingdales.com. They're still on the site actually. It's even on the Nordstrom Rack website. But this is it's like a classic tote from Longchamp. It sells new for around $200. I'm hoping to get around $75 for it because it is really in basically new condition. These are some Tory Burch flip-flops, and even though it's like winter now and it's really cold, in fact, like I have a heated blanket wrapped around me right now that you guys can't see because it's like cold in my office. Tory Burch sells really great, and it's hot somewhere. It's a beach somewhere, right? Some of you lucky people live where it's warm, so these will definitely still sell. Oh, forgot one of my Lululemon bags. This is the Lululemon Bring It Home tote, and it's got this really unique color to it. In fact, it matches that cosmetic bag that I showed earlier. Really, really deep, great for like a yoga mat, I'm guessing. It's actually called Windberry, so there you go. Windberry. This is, I know it doesn't look like much. You would look at it and go, it's a little bit faded, it's a little bit older. This is one of the items I'm most excited about actually. It's called a Gurkha bag. This is the original Gurkha gear pack by Marley Hodgson. Comps for this bag are around $150 to $200. I know, crazy, right? But yeah, there's like a cult following for these kinds of packs and bags. I think it might even be from like the 1970s. So really crazy. Hopefully it sells for, again, like I said, around $150 to $200. This is a Burberry Buckley bag. And you can see like it's got the Nova check on it. It's actually like nylon. The only issue, I got this a while ago actually. The only issue is, looks like a dog got to it. It's got a hole at the bottom and some loose threads. So I have been meaning to take this to like a cobbler or someone who can fix it. But I might actually just sell it as is and call it a day. I think like when it comes to repairing things, I can do sewing, I can clean items, but When it comes to like having to sew leather, I just don't have the skill or the tools or the patience to do it. So it's otherwise in really good condition. I think, yeah, someone maybe can buy it as a project and be willing to fix it. So I'm hoping to get around $100 for this because it is damaged, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and list it though. Okay, that about does it for me today, guys. I hope that this was fun. I hope it showed you some of the things that I got, some things that maybe you can look out for, helpful tips on how you can score some inventory. Like I said, I appreciate all of you. If you like videos like this, it helps me so much when you give it a thumbs up and you give me a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. I am going to be pushing out a lot of content now that my kids are in school, my office is done, and our basement is done. Lots of home projects are done. I feel like this giant weight is off my shoulders and I can really give you all the content that I've been wanting to give you for a long time. It's just hard when, you know, I was juggling full-time momming and homeschool and crises. I feel like every day, it feels like every day is a new adventure when it comes to the news and everything else going on. But what I hope I can provide for you is a sense of normalcy and a way for you to grow your business despite what might be going on. Thanks for joining me today, you guys. And until next time, take care.